I'm saying, if you... Everybody else settles, walks away, just like, forget it. Let's just get back to work. I'm not sure that's the right...
Shit, I'm sorry.
I had no idea that was there.
I've got napkins. If I can just release his cup, I'll be good. Okay, he got a straw. Sorry.
God!
He back into you?
Yes!
Edmonton drivers can be bad drivers. Worst doggone drivers in the West. Edmonton drivers can be bad drivers. Worst doggone drivers in the West. In Edmonton there is good drivers, and there also is real bad drivers who don't give a crap about the law. Be careful if you come here, some people drink too much beer, and some so ignorant it'll drop your jaw. Edmonton drivers can be bad drivers, worst doggone drivers in the West. Edmonton drivers can be bad drivers, worst doggone drivers in the West. Edmonton drivers.
Watch out, watch out!
Oh my god! I don't know how that happened! Dad, I'm so scared!
Lane and Lindo C. 80s to low 90s for the valleys and Inland Empire. Pretty much
The right way, not the easy way. GOE,
we're here for Los Angeles. Keeping you healthy means keeping you safe. With screenings at the door when you come in, and video visits if you can. Here, we've increased our thorough cleaning and disinfection of common spaces. Here, we limit crowds, and we physically distance in our reception areas. Here, we wear masks, and so do you. Here to reassure you.
What the hell was that? What the hell was that? Dude, you did not hit my car, right? You hit my car. What the hell was that? Yeah, you scratched my car. Can you pull over there and give me insurance? Damn it. Go over there. Look at this scratch right here. Look at this shit. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Damn it. Somebody get the plate right here. Right here. This is who pulled over and was saying, we seen the whole thing. You were speeding, and they were just blaming me for everything. I'll show you guys a fucking video.
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.